Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Mariovit, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create a poll on Facebook. I will show you step by step how to do it, so you may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and let's go. So please, what you need to do is enter on your group and group on Facebook, groups. Okay. And now we, as you can see, we here have option like poll. You may also click on the write something, click in these three dots, and you here also have option a poll. So you click on this. Now you may write something, you may add question. Video is good, and you may add option yes, no. You may also add more option, you may remove it, you may allow people to choose multiple answers, allow anyone to add options, you may also check in and tag people, and add filling activity, and later you click on the post, and as you can see we created a poll on Facebook. At this moment on pages you can't create a polls. I don't know why it's a problem, and that's why it is decision of Facebook, and the same is with the profile on Facebook. We also now has possibility. Okay, that's all what I wanted to show you. So thanks for watching, you may like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and bye bye, and see you next time.